Okay, great. Hi, everyone. Okay, let's see if I can get my son just to say hello. Just come say hello.
Hi.
Okay, great. Today is Thursday. Thursday, the day governed by Jupiter. Jupiter is currently in Capricorn, and the moon is in Scorpio. That's my baby. He wants no parts of it. And we're on his way to school. So the moon in Scorpio. So the energy is intense today. There's all this stuff going on in the world. There's a lot of fear. Scorpio is a moon sign that brings up a great deal of fear. So, and Jupiter is in Capricorn, and Jupiter in Capricorn is really coming undone. All of our structures, which is why our systems are starting to buckle, right? So our health system is buckling, our financial system is buckling, our political system is buckling. All of these systems that have been in place for many, many years, decades, are now starting to falter. And so the Scorpio energy intensifies it. So the thing to do is it's really about monitoring where you're putting your attention, really understanding that what you focus on grows, and it grows because you're focused on it. So, if you want to have another experience of peace or joy or love, put your attention on things that really inspire you. So, you listen to uplifting music, you spend time with people, don't spend time talking about all the stuff, don't look through the media, the news, all of that sort of stuff. Like, really focus on things that make you feel good. When I was pregnant with my baby, he's so sweet. When I was pregnant with him, there was a lot of stuff, a lot of uncertainties. And so I would do things that made me feel good. I would watch Mary Poppins. I watched my favorite children's movies. I did things that reminded me of joy, things that literally invaded were things that would invade me with joy, where I just couldn't resist it. And so that's the thing to do, especially while the moon is in Scorpio. So things that bring you pleasure, things that feel good in your body, things that bring you joy and laughter. Sometimes I will just watch comedy shows over and over and over again. I can watch Dave Chappelle, Chris Rock, Cat Williams. Like, I can just watch all their stuff back to back to back to bring my energy up, to keep my spirits high. And so that is the best way to be with this energy, especially. And then, making sure you're doing things to boost your immune system physically. So, like, I'm using the herb water, the crystals, oils, all things that lift your spirits and your vibrations up and not down. Um, Today, we are also on March 16th, begins the new class in Aries, and this class is going to be specifically around resurrecting yourself, really resurrecting yourself, because there are times when things are happening in our lives and it's difficult to resurrect yourself, like when you really feel, like you don't have any more, but you're still here, right? You feel like you don't have any more, but you still are here, so you got to get some more from somewhere, right? And so that's what this is about. So I encourage you to join the class. The first month is $20.20. If you like to do a new moon reading, if you like to do a Mercury retrograde reading to see how this energy, this is the other part, I'm sorry. Mercury is going to dip back into Pisces, which is where all of this coronavirus comes, this collective experience that we're having. And so it's very important that you spend time nurturing your dreams. And there's nothing like a crisis. There's nothing like a crisis to get you to see who you really are, to help you discover what you're really made of. And so this is that kind of opportunity, what's going on in the world right now. You get to decide, and you have to decide. Nobody can decide for you. You have to be really rigorous with your own energy, and you get to make a decision. You create your reality. So what you're focusing on is going to create your reality. It's going to bring that to you. So this is what a crisis is. A crisis says, "Hey, I'm going to either gonna do what I have to do, or I'm gonna collapse. What will you do? It's yours to decide. It's yours to choose. It's yours for the choosing. All right, peace and blessings, everyone. The lift is coming. My son and I are about to go to school, and if you need me, I am here, and all is well. Bye bye. I'm the Moon Mama. Have a wonderful day.
Bye.